Dr. Lapsher says all affected pigs had to be slaughtered once the flu is detected to avoid the spread of the African swine flu. Therefore, many farmers have multiple farms in case of an outbreak to avoid an infection of all pigs. In addition, Dr. Lapsher says farmers do carry out continuous disinfection and clean environment.
The outbreak in South Africa should not affect import of pork to Namibia because the production of pork for export purposes is quite controlled. Every single one of the farms that do produce pork produces that in such a disinfecting and clean environment that houses herd. That's another thing to be kept in mind is as soon as one of these pigs are confirmed to be positive for swine fever, the whole herd needs to be slaughtered because of the danger that there is to the other animals in the environment and the spread of this disease.
The outbreak has been reported in Western Cape after a number of pigs died. A ban has been placed on the sale and movement of live pigs from affected areas to limit the spread of the disease. The disease is transmitted to pigs by contaminated people, vehicles, equipment, or eating contaminated food waste, as well as a soft tick. Once an infection takes place with one pig, the spread among the pigs is rapid.
Or African swine fever is a virus that is carried by a soft type tick, and that soft type tick can carry it and spread it from pig to pig and from one area to the next. Now the ticks themselves don't move much, but they get carried in turn by warthog.
Dr. Tiens Lapsher had this advice to pig farmers.
My advice to pig farmers is to not allow pigs to walk around extensively. If you want to be a pig producer, you have to isolate those animals from all other animals and all other people. And to the best of your ability, isolate them with regards to illness and isolate different groups from each other. Even with you moving around between them, you should wash between them. It sounds like it is hard work and a lot of work, but if one of these diseases gets into a high production pig plant, it can be devastating.
Western Cape Agriculture Department says the disease does not affect humans, but meat and products from affected pigs can be a source of infection to other pigs. Selima Henok, NBC News, Windhoek.